the subject of things costing more, it is no secret the price of owning and maintaining your car has gone up significantly in the last few years. Many of you have told us how tough it's been navigating the car market. Rick Ritter joins us now in studio. It's one of a family's major expenses: buying a car, owning a car, insuring a car.
Yeah, it's a subject, Denise, we're all not really fans of. Many of the viewers that we spoke with, they have reached out and said the same thing. Seems like they're always having less money left over since everything costs so much. Even for those who may have paid off their cars, everyone I talked to asked the same question: why are insurance rates increasing all over our state when it comes to auto insurance? So in tonight's Question Everything, we track down that answer.
From the escalating trade war to inflation, it feels like the cost of just about everything is going up these days.
From car insurance to groceries.
Everything feels so expensive.
For Yaniv Ezra, he knows firsthand.
I'm a DoorDasher and Uber Eats driver, and you can see that no one's barely buying anything.
That, mixed in with his skyrocketing car insurance, makes things tough.
They're very high. I'm paying $200 a month just because I moved to the city.
Nearly doubling his rate.
Typically in urban environments, we do see higher rates of auto insurance based on the experience of what might happen to a car in the city.
It's led to the question many of us are asking: why are car insurance rates up in the state of Maryland? We sat down with the state's insurance commissioner, Marie Grant.
What we're seeing here in Maryland and what consumers are feeling, unfortunately, are national trends that other consumers in other states are feeling as well.
Data released this year from Insurify shows car insurance costs surged nationally by 15% in 2024. In fact, Maryland drivers now pay the most for car insurance. So on average, we're paying more than $4,000 a year, a 53% increase from 2023.
Maryland historically has been in the top, I would say, quarter of states, unfortunately, for auto insurance rates. In part, that's due to just the nature of our state, right? We tend to drive a lot, we have longer commuting distances, we have a lot of congestion on our roads.
While congestion and traffic-related incidents certainly play a role, high repair costs are also to blame. AAA found today's advanced technology in cars can cost twice as much to repair. And now the threat of tariffs could complicate things even more.
So much talk about the escalating trade war and the president's tariffs, not only the cost of cars, but the parts used to make them and to fix them. So with that being said, will that impact auto insurance rates?
Unfortunately, the answer is yes. We haven't seen evidence of that in our rate filings. If you had asked me a month ago, without tariffs on the horizon, I would have said to you that trends are looking positive.
So what can you do to save right now? Shop around to several insurers at the least. 5 to 10 is what's actually recommended. Search for discounts like safety features or bundling policies. And consider a telematics program that monitors how safe you're driving. And when in doubt, the insurance commissioner's office lines are always open.
I love hearing from Marylanders. Consumers should definitely reach out to us. Fresh eyes never hurt. And so we do want to make sure that we are asking tough questions of our insurers to make sure that they are putting their best foot forward.
And that 5 to 10 caught me by surprise. You have to remember that when you're shopping around. Look, it's no secret. We also found out climate and crime can contribute to higher costs of insurance. We know Maryland has seen stolen vehicle claims skyrocket over the last few years. That according to the National Insurance Crime Bureau. So if you live in an area with more frequent severe weather, maybe like flooding or wildfires, that of course can impact your premiums as well. But Maryland taking the top spot, at least with Insurify, Denise.
I wish I didn't need a car. But
just
there's
walk
really
and
no
bike.
option.
You might be onto something there.
Yeah, bike to work. I should try that.
Save yourselves.